First, prepare a screwdriver and a wrench. Step 1. Remove the old toilet lid. Put the rubber into the toilet fixing hole. Step 2. Fix the floor and stainless steel regulator. The stainless steel gasket and the expansion plastic casting hole should be put in order. Step 3. Lock the stainless steel screws. Center the fixed floor left and right. Tighten the stainless steel screws. Step 4. When installing the main body cover on the toilet, hold the side of the subject with one hand. Slowly push the other hand in parallel until it pushes. It is found that doesn't match. It can be disassembled and readjusted. There have a buckle at the bottom, which can be removed with a single push. Step 5. Connect the water source and power on. First, insert the PE pipe into the connection. This is the three-way ball valve. One end is connected to the angle valve. Connect the other end to the water inlet of the toilet. Then connect the toilet cover to the water inlet PE pipe. Water first, then electricity. Finally, plug in the power and you are done.